here with Kevin O'Keefe. It is, what day is it? It's Friday afternoon. I think it's about 4:30 or something like that. Kevin, tell us a little bit about what you do online and all the different areas, how you're involved in the online legal community.
I think we do our best to empower lawyers to have an effective internet presence by using the internet as a communication tool.
Okay.
Let's focus more on further enhancing their reputation, creating a word-of-mouth reputation. So let's focus on the basics of legal marketing as they existed for the last 100 years.
Okay. Now, you say it. I mean, are you talking about LexSuite.com or one of the brands specifically?
No, I think at your core, your lawyer's presence, you have to have a voice.
Okay.
You have to listen. So we're teaching lawyers how to listen to the conversation online. We're certainly empowering them through a blog. So not only are they going to have a blog, but they know how to use it and use it in a proactive way to network, enhance reputation, get cited, to create that word-of-mouth presence. Now, blog is just part of social media.
Right.
So Twitter's just become a part that you can extend the reach of your content into other forms of social media so that it's passed around, no different than if one of our blogs would have its content syndicated to the Wall Street Journal or have its content syndicated to LinkedIn or syndicated to other places.
Right. So you're talking about blogging for lawyers, is that correct?
That's right.
That's the site. And, okay, so we have blogging for lawyers, LexSuite.
My company is LexBlog.
Okay.
And so LexBlog provides a turnkey professional blog solution to lawyers. So what is our core product that's brought us to where we are today? It's a turnkey professional blog solution for lawyers.
Okay.
It covers everything that the lawyer's going to need to be a successful blogger. Obviously, we're not going to provide content because the lawyer's doing that. So that's our core product that we provide.
Okay.
Things that we've gotten into beyond that are, I think we have an obligation, a legal profession, to look at those things that may be worthwhile for lawyers to participate in.
Okay.
So if Twitter arises and we've got to differentiate between is something or is it not something? Well, Twitter appeared to be something. So what can we do for the profession? We can identify who the legal professionals are and maybe start to break it down into subgroups by state practice areas, and that's great. If we identify that there's a good deal of aggregated content that should be highlighted with an editor, highlighting who good bloggers are, highlighting their content, that's Lex Monitor, which is a product of ours. And then we just launched Lex Conference, which is a way that there's a lot of intellectual property being passed around at a conference like this. So if we can highlight presenters, we can highlight exhibitors, we can highlight conference coordinators, so that their content can be aggregated from Lex Conference and then distributed through the reach of the network that we have, not only by the thousands of lawyers we have that blog with us, but the network reach that we have out to other bloggers and out to the media picking up that conference, or as our name at Lex Conference. So blogs, Twitter, social media, what can we do to enable lawyers?
Right. Now talk a little bit about TECHSHOW 2009. What were some of the big innovations maybe for lawyers, upcoming, maybe existing? What were some of the bigger topics that you thought were here this year?
Well, I don't practice law, so I can't even judge, what may be the most pertinent topic for your individual practicing lawyer as a practicing lawyer could. I look at TECHSHOW as what is the value of coming to a place like TECHSHOW. Well, it's a fabulous opportunity to meet and build camaraderie with fellow lawyers around the country. And they have a lot of innovation, there's a lot of entrepreneurism. So you leave with that spirit, that fire. You know a lot of people that you can network with and ideas that you're going to find personally empowering. And now through technology, you may not only advance things that you're doing, you may revolutionize and do things in a whole new way. So through the exhibitors, they've got some very interesting things that lawyers have found to learn. I hear very positive things on through the sessions. What lawyers are going to find is that they find how to do something that they don't know how to do. That they're getting turned on to. Extremely valuable. And then people like me, why do I come? Well, we have a lot of followers of what LexBlog does as a company. We have a lot of followers of what I do, what I say. So I think it's important to be here and participate and get to know those people. And for any business person, they're going to do a fair amount of business here. So there's behind the scenes, you don't see necessarily the exhibitor booth, you don't see the sessions. There's a lot of people doing a significant amount of business this here
Right.
by being all in one place.
Right. So as you can tell, Kevin O'Keefe is definitely well endowed to the legal community, definitely involved a lot in different areas providing services that lawyers can use online. Real quick, tell us what your Twitter name is so people can find you there.
That's Kevin O'Keefe.
Oh, of course. Okay, thank you, Kevin.
You bet.